Happy Pi Day! Hyperbolica is now live on Steam. Prepare to rocket ski through the snow, jump on trampolines, solve puzzles, clean windows? And more in mind-bending non-Euclidean space. So spread the word and let everyone know about Hyperbolica. It's currently available for Windows, Linux, and Steam VR, with Mac support coming soon. I'll also be hosting it on itch sometime next week. And that's not all. I now have an official Code Parade merch store with original designs for Hyperbolica. Check it out. I want to thank everyone for all your patience and support through this crazy development. The community enthusiasm and excitement around a Hyperbolic game has been really surprising and humbling. The devlog videos are a great time capsule to see how much the game's style and graphics have improved, and it'll really make you appreciate how far it's come. You can also join the Code Parade Discord community to chat about Hyperbolica, post fan art, report bugs, and enter contests. Thanks again everyone, and I hope your Pi Day got a little bit sweeter.